This is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So I'm going to start with showing you guys how you can set up the fingerprint screen lock method. So launch settings, enter password and security category, tap at the fingerprint section over here, and continue. Choose what backup screen lock method you would like to have as well. Then set it up. I'll go with graphical pattern. And now you can start enrolling or add in your fingerprint. So as you can see, the sensor is located at the side of your phone, or actually it is located right at the side power button. It's the same key, the sensor and the button. So as you could have already realized, in order to enroll your fingerprint, you gotta continuously lay and lift it on and from the sensor until the entire fingerprint surface will be scanned. Now, once it is successfully enrolled, I can start unlocking my screen with a fingerprint, or with a finger. The next tip that I have is how you can adjust the screen refresh rate. So launch settings, enter display and brightness category, scroll the page all the way down, and enter the screen refresh rate page. You can switch its value between 60 and 120 Hz. Long story short, high value will get you smoother animations and visual experience, while standard value will provide you with longer battery life or reduce your power consumption. So simply go for benefits that are more important to you personally, and we are moving on. The next tip that I have, or actually the last two tips for this video, is are the last? Let me check it with my notes real quick. No, there was only two tips, excuse me. I'm just running ahead of myself. So the next feature is how you can hide apps, completely conceal them both from the home screen and app drawer. So in order to do that, you will need to launch settings, enter privacy, then privacy again, hide apps. Now enter your privacy password, or actually, you know what, I'll just quickly turn it off and show how you can set the privacy password up. So hide apps, then the system will ask that you set the privacy password first. So do exactly that, choose the password type you would like to go with, then add it. Now set up the recovery information, such as security question or recovery emails, or both. Then simply find the app that you would like to hide over here. I'll hide Fortnite first. Then you will need to set an access code, the dial code that you're going to use to access those hidden apps. At the first place, the code should start and end with the hash or pound symbol, and in between those pound symbols you gotta have anywhere from 1 to 16 custom digits. So I'll go with #1#, the simplest one there is. And now we are all set up. The Fortnite game is hidden. You cannot see it at the home screen, nowhere. And if I will try to search for Fortnite, I will not be able to find it. But if I will dial up the access code I've set up, that is #1#, as you can see, the hidden apps folder gets opened and shows me all the hidden apps. Alrighty, so next, the fourth and fifth tips are both performance related. One is simpler and quicker than other. So in order to improve or increase your system performance, you can either enter battery, go for more settings, and turn on the high performance mode. Or the next tip is how to increase the system performance is to expand the random access memory. In order to do that, you will need to enter the About Device category of settings, tap at the RAM, turn on the RAM expansion switch or toggle, select the amount of gigabytes you would like to increase your RAM or random access memory for, and then reboot the device in order for those changes to be applied. And well, that'll be it, not only for the last fifth tip, but for this video in general. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.